Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Nice to meet you.
Even me also.
Are you a student?
Yeah, I am a student.
Which department are you studying?
Actually, I am a dropper
Mm-hmm.
and I want to pursue my study in agriculture. What about you?
Okay. Then agriculture means which department? What's your which? Have you appeared any competitive exam?
Yeah, I appeared around three competitive exams:
Mm-hmm.
NEET,
Mm-hmm.
OUAT, and CUET.
Okay. Then right now you got admission in OET, right?
Yeah,
What is the full form of OET?
Odisha University of Technology. Odisha
Okay,
Agriculture University of Technology.
okay. You got admission? Did you get admission?
Yeah, no, no, no. It's
Okay,
on September 15.
okay, but I think you got admission, right? What is your branch name?
BSc Agriculture.
BSc Agriculture. Advance all the best.
Thank you.
And
Uh,
it is your first, right? First
yeah,
year?
yeah, yeah. It's our first year.
Okay, you study perfectly and you get a good marks and percentage. It is a better for your future, right?
Yeah,
Then you
thank
do
you.
hard work. You do hard
Uh,
work, right?
yeah.
And
And tell me something about you.
I'm from also Odisha. I don't do anything. I'm a language learner. I want to enhance my spoken English. That's why I'm using this platform and I'm practicing here. What about you? Do you want to improve your language?
Yeah, I want to enhance my speaking skills.
Okay. Do you talk with anyone in English?
Probably no. It's our
Okay.
first time.
Is it your first time? But you speak nicely. Then
Yeah,
you do
thank you.
practice regularly, right?
Thank
You
you.
it require practice.
Yeah, I
Language
know.
takes four skill: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. If you do regularly, then definitely you can speak fluently. And
Yeah.
it required for your better future. If you can't speak fluently or if you don't have good communication, then definitely it hectic for your job in future.
Yeah,
If
I
you
know.
it is your if you speak good English, you write good English, then
Yeah,
you make your better future.
yeah, that's why I want to enhance my speaking skills.
Okay, but you do practice regularly, you
Yeah, I
don't
know.
excuse, right? At
Hmm.
least you speak 10 to 5 minutes regularly,
Hmm.
because we are Indian, right?
Hmm.
We don't have
Yeah.
language partner.
Hmm.
We don't get atmosphere. We cannot speak with anyone
Hmm.
continuously. That's
Hmm.
why you practice in this type of platform,
Hmm.
then you can improve, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you remember, you do practice, and right now you are on right track. I never believe you speak and it is your first time to talk with anyone.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, but if you practice regularly, definitely you become good speaker.
Yeah.
Then, which department have you studied? I mean to say, state board, ICIC, or CBSE?
CBSE.
CBSE.
Yeah.
Okay, where did you study in 10th standard?
JNV.
JNV. Wow, you are a good student. That's why you got in admission in OET, right?
No.
Then which subject do you like?
Actually, I like all subject. I want to balance out all subject.
Okay, but you do hard work, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it is not easy task for anyone. It is not a
Yeah.
cup
Yeah.
of tea, right?
And I know.
Then, special which subject do you like? English?
Mm, yes, I like English
Okay, literature or grammar or what?
literature.
Literature. Okay, how many friends do you have?
Mm, mm,
How many friends?
yeah, a lot maybe.
Okay, you have lot of friend. Okay, how
Yeah,
many sibling do you have?
one sibling.
Okay, what your father does?
Government worker.
Okay, then are you living in rural or urban area?
Actually, I am living in a rural area.
Rural area. Okay, but you are studying in urban area, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Then you, if you get chance, then definitely you talk with your professor, right?
yeah.
If you have doubt, then you ask them
Hmm.
related your subject.
Hmm.
Otherwise you cannot improve your doubt,
Hmm.
right? You
Hmm.
cannot clarify your doubt.
Hmm.
Then definitely you don't fear
Hmm.
to ask question in front of
Hmm.
your professor, because they are your friend and they are
Yeah.
your teacher, they are your
Hmm.
guru. Then definitely you, if
Hmm.
you get any kind of query or any kind of issue and problem in any subject, then you ask them. Then you tell what's your brother does.
He is currently in ninth class.
He's currently ninth class. Then where he studying?
He is in Vikas,
Okay,
Sambalpur.
is it CBSE or ICSE
Yeah,
board?
it is CBSE school
CBSE
course.
school.
CBSE course.
Okay. Then are you vegetarian or
Yeah, I
non-vegetarian?
am vegetarian. I am vegan. What about you?
I like also veg, non-veg, but I also like
Both.
veg food I eat. Then
Means you
you
are a
tell me,
omnivores.
yeah, you tell me, how is weather?
It is cloudy, little bit cloudy.
Cloudy. Okay, which season do you like?
Depend on mood. What about you?
Okay, I like maximum summer season. I don't
Why?
like rainy season or
Why you like summer season?
summer season, because you know every means time you see clean
Yeah,
and don't get any kind of it's okay for hot, but little bit I like it.
yeah.
Then apart from Odisha, have you visited different
No,
places?
no, no.
No, due to your study,
Due to
right?
my
Study.
studies.
After completing your graduation, maybe you get chance to visit, then definitely you visit. And you tell means what time do you go to bed? What time you wake up?
Around 10 p.m. I go to bed, and what about you?
I also go to bed around 10:30. And what time do you get off?
Around 7 p.m. And sometimes 8 p.m.
Okay, what time do you take food?
Around 8:30. What about you?
I also take around 9 and I go to bed at 9:30.
Oh,
That kind of I do regularly.
that's good. That's a good habit.
Yeah. And you tell, if you do you talk with your friend this day?
Yeah, sometimes
Sometime what are they doing? They are also studying, right?
they are also studying. They pursue BSc courses.
Okay. Sometime you talk with them, interact with them, right?
Sometimes, not always.
Hmm. And you never ever talk with anyone in English with anyone?
No.
Okay, but I
Means,
don't believe you speak nicely.
yeah, thank
Then,
you.
yeah, you talk regularly. You don't miss excuse with your practice, right?
Yeah.
It required. And India has how many state in India?
Actually, I don't remember
Mm-hmm.
currently, but it's 30 maybe.
No, 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 not 30, 28
Acha,
state.
28 states,
28
sorry.
state and different
My GK
state.
is weak.
Different state, it's okay. But 30, Odisha has 30 district, right?
Oh,
I
okay,
think
yeah,
so. You
yeah.
remember that. That's why it's okay. Don't
Actually,
worry.
my GK is so little bit weak.
Then you have to focus, right? It
Yeah,
required for your competitive
yeah,
exam
I
after
know.
completing your
I
graduation.
have to focus on my GK current
Huh.
affairs.
This day, this day, no need any offline book.